So we are all super excited here at the shop to get this vehicle delivered back in the hands of the customer. As you may recall, this vehicle was towed into us by the owner back in November of last year. So we've had this vehicle for roughly 7 months, very in-depth, extensive repairs. As you recall, the front end was swiped off of this. Both frame rails have been swatted to the point where Mercedes required us to replace both frame rails, the inner apron assemblies, which included us having to have the motor transmission removed, as well as have the dash and interior out as well. Per Mercedes requirements, we used all factory OEM parts on this repair. Very labor intensive. We have about 300 man hours in this, not including the fact that we had to send it to our local Mercedes dealership to have the motor transmission, dash, and other components removed for us to even do the repairs. So as we've said, very labor intensive, but it turned out really great. We're just walking through our final QC on this. We got a little bit more detailing to do and some cleaning on it, some final checkpoints. But after that, I know the owner is going to be excited to get back in his hands, as this is his work vehicle as well as his house. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.